Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a chant. Shout out to Cadence, Diamond Child. Your outfit is goals. Shout out to Jane Lightning Lund. Your outfit is beautiful. Again, shout out to Isabel Volcano Street. Your outfit is beautiful. Everybody's outfit here is just absolutely stunning and beautiful. Shout out to Kimmy Dreamheart. Her outfit is goals. Oh! I just got removed from the group. My mouse! Stop! Okay. So I'm gonna do this. You have to back up here for a while until, and then like after like 5 minutes, I don't think we have enough time for that, but I'll just do it anyway. Go. So yeah. Shout out to Elena Westville. Cute. I'm still backing up, guys. This is getting kind of annoying. We gotta keep doing it. We got only a couple, 46 seconds left. Okay, if you guys don't know, I'm level 19. Keep on backing up. Yeah, shout out to Abigail Tundra Hunter. Shout out to Carla Oakbridge. That was nice. 13 seconds. Come on, keep backing up. Okay, let's create another competition groups. We gotta keep on backing up. It's this like cheat thing. Don't do it. I'm just trying to see if it'll actually work for chance. Let's create another competition groups. 16, 15. We only got a couple more seconds. Come on, keep going. Huh? Hold on. I'm doing something. Okay, so it didn't. Okay, keep going. Everybody's off with such good stats. If you guys hear a commercial, it's because that's my background music. sorry, a minute ago my dad asked me to take the dog for a walk. So that's what I have to do. If you hear a commercial right now, it's... Okay, no, you don't hear a commercial. Oh, keep going, keep going. But if you hear a commercial anytime, it's because, I'm playing it off for the background. Okay, let's keep going. I'm not ever very good at champs. If you have ever noticed, this is my first ever champs video, but I've done champs for a long time. I'm never good at them. Because I don't like care to get good at them because champs not a big thing in Star Stable. I mean, everybody goes to them to like, get first place and stuff. It's kind of cool to do them, but it's not a big thing. It's not something that I would like to focus on and stress myself on to get it right. I'd like to do quests. Somebody is really far in the owl hunting because they have an owl. Impressive. Okay, we got this. I love that shortcut right there. I'm gonna be ready to leave my group. Right about it. Cause you still get mail from that, and it's just super easy. Okay. Plus, this horse is not very cared for. So. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.